Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can see your incognito history on Google Chrome on your Android mobile device. So let's get started. The first step, launch the Google Chrome browser on your Android phone. And here on the start page, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select New Incognito tab. That is going to open up a new tab in the incognito mode here on Google Chrome, so that you now may browse through the internet and visit websites without being tracked. Now guys, right from the get-go, unfortunately there's no direct way how you can access your browsing history in the incognito mode here on Google Chrome if you are accessing it through your Android phone. And if you have been told in other tutorials that it is somehow possible, don't believe them, because I have tried all of these methods and none of these have actually worked. However guys, there is one trick you may apply to solve this issue. You may access your browsing history on incognito mode not on your mobile device but through your computer or PC. So all you will have to do is simply connect your Android phone to your PC via USB cable, for example. Access the internal storage of your phone via your computer and simply head over to the folder chrome://history, and then you will see all the websites and web pages you have visited in the incognito mode on your Android. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.